In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a demo account on OctaFX. First, make sure you're logged into your OctaFX account. Once logged in, go to the top right corner and click on the menu icon. From there, scroll down and select Trading Accounts. Now, scroll down and click on Open Demo Account. This will take you to a new page where you can start setting up your demo account. First, under Account Type, make sure Demo Account is selected. Then move on to choosing your trading platform. You can select OctaTrader MT4 or MT5. In this example, I'm choosing MT4. Next, select your leverage. Click on the drop-down arrow and choose the leverage you prefer. I'm selecting 1 to 500. After that, set your demo account balance by entering the amount you want. For example, I'm entering $1,000. Once everything is set, click on Create Account. As you can see, your demo account has been successfully created. You'll now see your account details, including your account number, server, and password. And that's it. This is how you can easily create a demo account on OctaFX. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.